Hi there, students. Largesse. Largesse, an uncountable noun. Largesse means generosity, a gift that is very large, great generosity. So he gave to the poor with great largesse. Largesse also has the nuance of somebody rich and powerful being generous and giving to the poor, perhaps in a condescending way. So somebody important distributing charity to the poor. The emperor threw coins into the crowd with great largesse. The millionaire's latest act of largesse was an enormous donation to charity. Notice, largesse can also refer to the gift itself. The gift, normally money, but it can be something else. He distributed largesse among the crowds. His largesse, his gifts, provided food for many poor people. So a generous gift. So largesse, generosity, munificence, bountifulness. She is famous for her largesse when it comes to Christmas presents. So she's incredibly generous and spends lots of money on Christmas presents. Largesse can also be a donation, a present, a gift, a grant, an endowment even. The largesse distributed to the poor was their only safety net. Now, largesse can also be used to mean generosity of spirit or attitude. So she always entertains with great largesse at her dinner parties. The largesse with which he spread his knowledge was greatly appreciated. His largesse of spirit made everybody love him. Politicians, just before elections, try to gain votes through largesse spent on public projects, on civic projects. So just before the election, a new children's playground springs up, and a new park, and a new library. Boom, boom, boom. They spring up like mushrooms. This largesse is a way for the politicians to try to persuade voters. The man gave the beggar £100, which seemed like great largesse to the poor man. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 6.5, maybe 7 in formality. It sounds literary and poetic. I don't think I'd use largesse in an informal conversation. I'd say generosity, his large gift, something like that. And the origin comes from Latin, largus, meaning copious, in great quantities. So, largesse, great generosity in gifts of money or other things. Largesse, giving away to the poor. Maybe a little bit condescending from somebody very rich to the poor people. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Largesse.